So this is for Crystal. I know she wants some. Yeah, I know you want some, Crystal. I know you want some. Unfortunately, you can't get none. You have to come back to Jamaica. Same if you tell me, dirty customs, send back the back because they need one more $1,000. And I'm supposed to do one from Wappy Philip with Shanique. Yes, I'm supposed to do one from Wappy Philip with Shanique. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today I am going to eat some KFC. Yes. And I'm going to talk to you for a bit. So yeah. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Then hit the notification bell. Comment down below saying new. And then, like it, share it, and be a part of Nessa's World, And if you're old, thank you for coming back. And yeah, so today I got Zinger. Why it looks so small? Corn. Fries. Juice. And that's it. Alright, so first we normally start eating the fries. Because say it'll get cold. I'm gonna eat the fries first. Like, this is my first mukbang. And I don't know what to do. Like, people just sit down and watch people eat, so weird. And isn't it bad manners to eat and talk? Well, so I am planning to be more consistent, seeing that I have more time on my hands. So I want to cook some more. I want to do mukbangs because I'm thinking, like, if I cook, why not eat the food before you. And if you know me, you know that I love fries. Love fries. So normally I would buy sweet and sour sauce. I don't know how that slipped me. And I'm going to mix the ketchup and the sweet and sour. But no. My cousin saw me in Spanish Town today. And surprisingly, he asked me where I was going. And I said KFC. And he was like, "Can't you buy me 2 please?" And I was like, "No." But then God spoke to me and said, Is that what Jesus would do?" And then I said, "Okay, I'll buy you 2 please." So I spent more than what I bargained for. I haven't had corn since I put on the braces because I fear biting into the corn and breaking a bracket. So here goes. This one is very soft, so I can eat this. Good. It's so soft. the favorite part. So this is for Crystal. I know she wants some. Yeah, I know you want some, Crystal. I know you want some. Unfortunately, you can't get none. You have to go back to Jamaica. But kudos to Jamaica with the best KFC. Spicy. Alright, so this is what I do when I go to KFC. I don't take ice in my juice. I just take pure juice because by the time I reach home, the ice will melt and then the juice will taste watery. But honestly speaking though, the zinger is so small. Like this is not the zinger I'm used to. Tell me if you like the whole mukbang thing, the new trend. But a lot of people been saying that I have too much going on my page. But I'm just showing you what I like. I like to cook, I like to eat, and I like to inspire person. Because I honestly wish that there was someone there to tell me about the J1 program before I went on it. And even though it wasn't bad at first, but if I knew what I know now, I would have been way ahead. And that is why I'm now helping you guys. And because I'm a Christian too, like why would I talk about everything else and not talk about God? You understand? And then you must see the fun side of me, the bad side of me. I like to do hair, so you're gonna see that. Now when I grow, now I can have different channel for different things. But for now, just generate the traffic here. And what I did, I section it out. If you realize everything is under section, so you have here, you have J1, different sections. So if you want J1, you stay to J1, comment on J1. But I would wish and like that you watch everything and comment about everything. And yes, guys, we don't want to notice this hand have a nail polish, this one don't. I was bored today, and it's easier to do this hand than this hand, so I just did one. So this is ginger beer. I don't really like acidic juice, but there was no soft drinks in the machine, and I just took ginger beer to bust the gas, I don't really like corn, like KFC corn, but for some reason I like this one. I don't know if it's because I haven't had it in a while or we're hungry. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm planning to be more consistent. I'm gonna select selective days to upload. I don't know which day yet. Definitely not Sunday. But then I could set it to upload on Sunday. I don't know. I'm gonna try find 2 days, if not 3 days, and upload consistently. And then the next thing, I need to get a whiteboard because I need to, put my content down, write my content down to be more organized, if you understand. Me understand. Like, is it just KFC kind where these things don't come off? Like, the other kind them don't come off, but they don't come off. Like, I don't know, something weird about them here. Alright, so normally I wouldn't eat this much. Normally I would eat half. And I would definitely eat the fries off, but it was a bit cold. And then I would normally eat half of this, and as you see, I only have 2 bites left, but I'm full. And then from the fasting, I realized that I started eating less. So this is a blow. Like, this stretch mama, stretch mama. So yeah. All right, so I was gonna say, I want to come out with more content, so I'm gonna get on whiteboard and organize my stuff so I can know what I need to do, because I realize that I'm all over the place. So it alright, so it kind of different when it comes down to motivations and inspiration, because I just follow what God say to me. So if God tell me something, I'll come to, you understand? So that can be random pop up, you understand? But like if I'll cook, so I release a cooking video on one day, release the J1 video on the next day, and be consistent on the days. So for instance, J1 would be on a Monday, cooking would be on a Wednesday, here would be on a Friday. You get the drift? So I will need a whiteboard. I don't know where to get one. So if you know where to get one, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to do a collab with me, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other suggestion, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about this mukbang short video. I just buy the food because I'm hungry. I'm deciding to say, I'll just come and talk to you and eat before, because that's a thing. So as me say, if me cook, me gonna eat before now. So it's gonna be like a cooking. So that means me gonna have more content, right? So me gonna cook, show you how to cook it, and then me gonna name it in front of you. You understand? Yeah. And then as I said before, the DS farms are coming out, so more J1 videos should be coming out soon. Stay tuned for the how to pack your suitcase, how to look for a ticket, and how to prepare yourself to enter into the US. I'm gonna do a collab with my next YouTuber, her name is Jody, and I'm supposed to do one from Wappy Kill Philip with Shanique. Yes, I'm supposed to do one from Wappy Kill Philip with Shanique. And yeah, and guys, remember to stay tuned for the box reveal on my sister channel. So let me tell you something. So what was yesterday? So it was Wednesday. So Tuesday, I call Tuesday I call the post office because I'm supposed to get me bank card from Bank of America, right? And we call the post office to save me time, so I have to go down there just in case I go down there to see if the letter reach. Right? When we call the post office and say, yo, do you have a mail for Vanessa? And they were like, oh, your box come back in a custom send back your box. So I say, really? And not call me? Like if me never call me, wouldn't know this. We did not try to find a number, but we not have a number. So I say, me write my number on the form. Oh, you mean you can't find? Oh, we can't find the paper. So I'm like, okay, so why did customs send back the box? They need more money. So you mean to tell me, dirty customs send back the box because they need $1,000. $1,000. So the box left from the post office, got customs, and customs send it back. So after 2 weeks now, with the things in the box reach the box down at post office. I forgot there yesterday now and pay and send off the box again. Tell me now. So you know, say all the bun were in there spoiled, right? Luckily, I never put no bun in my sister thing, so fair box supposed to be okay. But me put bun in my mother box, so you know, say bun have a long shelf life. You understand? But none one know me understand when everybody I go through with customs. Me no say the name bad, but boy, I never know say so terrible. Like this no make me want to stay here, you know, because if you get something from online, you have to go through hell and high water. Like you have to pay a arm and a leg. Like you have to buy back the product again when you reach you. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. But yes, guys. So this is my short video. I have exam on Wednesday. I do one today, and I'm gonna edit the video and post it right now, right now. So as I will say, if you reach this far, you like the content, you know, subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I listen to the video, you will be the first to know. Bye, guys.